Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best turkey fryers. So let's get started. Number 7. Turkey Fryer. This outdoor cooker is made of stainless steel for optimal durability. It comes with an perforated insert that can be used for steaming, boiling, and of course, frying. We love that it can handle a 20-pound bird, enough to feed a feast. To use, place it upside down on the poultry rack and carefully lower it into the hot oil. It features a grab hook for easy retrieval, and the set comes with a 12-inch thermometer. Propane cooker sold separately. Number 6. XL Electric Fryer. This affordable fryer has a sleek design and a reasonably small footprint considering it can still fit a 20-pound turkey. The hinged lid is removable for easy cleaning and a drain valve to empty used oil in a snap. It heats up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and can also be used as a steamer and boiler, making this appliance anything but single-use. Number 5. TRU Infrared Oilless. Unlike deep fryers that use large vats of oil, the Char-Broil True Infrared Oilless Turkey Fryer uses infrared cooking technology to crisp up your bird. That means you don't need to worry about splattering or potential spilling and burns. It can handle up to a 16-pound turkey and can also be used for other large pieces of meat like chicken or beef roasts. Number 4. Extra Large Rotisserie. A rotisserie deep fryer. Yes, you heard that right. Position your 14-pound bird in the rotisserie basket and let it do its thing for the most even cooking and coloring in 1 hour. This Cuisinart deep fryer also comes with a separate fry basket for all your fried food needs and doubles as a steamer if you choose to use it without oil. The dials are easy to use, the thermostat monitors the temperature, and the timer shuts off the heating element when done. Cleanup is easy too, with a drain valve and dishwasher-safe parts. Number 3. Aluminum Stock Pot. Emptying a large stock pot is hard enough, let alone one filled with oil. The spigot on this 30-quart stock pot makes cleanup easier. Just don't forget to let oil or other liquids cool completely before emptying. It's made of aluminum so it heats up quickly and isn't too heavy. The pot also comes with a lid, lifting hook, and rack for added safety and ease of use. Number 2. Banjo Single Burner Stove. This heavy-duty burner is made of cast iron and designed to last for a very long time. It can burn up to 200,000 BTUs, which means it will heat your oil quickly, even large batches. It's also really good for large pots, which can handle the largest turkeys or large amounts of liquid for making beer at home. The legs detach for easy storage. Number 1. Bayou Classic High Pressure. If you already have a large, nearly 30-quart pot, this propane gas cooker can save you money over kits that include both a pot and accessories. It has a 14-inch diameter cooking surface and a low center of gravity to handle your largest stock pots and wide-set legs for stability. It can handle the weight of cooking pots of up to 100 quarts, more than you'll need for your average turkey. This cooker has a 360-degree windscreen and operates at a maximum 185,000 BTUs.